Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we will show you guys how to remove and replace tensioner pulley and the other pulley right here on a Dodge Charger, Dodge Magnum Chrysler 300 guys. That's the one we're talking about right here. We're doing engine replacement and decided to shoot a video to show you guys how to do it since the engine is out and we have more room to shoot it. So we're going to remove the belt guys. You can see with the 3/8 ratchet there. Okay, you need to go clockwise, you release the pressure of the belt and you can pull the belt out. We'll be removing both rolls now. So with a 15mm we're going to remove the bolt for the tensioner pulley assembly. Okay, right here. And if you're replacing it, we'll recommend to get the whole assembly with the spring. Okay, and this one here is with a 13mm socket. Okay, we're going to remove both of them now. Just like that. So when you're ready to install, especially the tensioner pulley guys right here, you need to be careful. This one needs to go in the hole there. You can see it goes only one place. Okay, and you need to get the bolt. Careful not to break that bolt because it's super light. It's not very strong bolt, to be honest with you. You've seen some broken ones in the past, so just get it tight, but not too crazy tight. Okay, that's plenty for us. We're going to install the other one. It just goes in, super simple. And you need to get the bolt in, get this one tight as well. Pretty long bolt, to be honest with you. Okay, right there. And all you have to do, install the belt. We have the video on Auto Repair guys, how to install the belt, the Serpentine belt diagram, so if you have trouble with that. Thank you guys for watching and thank you for your support. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.